Hi guys, and welcome to Monday's maths lesson. So this is our maths lesson for Monday the 6th of September, and we are reading and writing 8 and 9 digit numbers. So we're still going with our big numbers, and I'm pretty sure you guys would be going pretty well with these, but we're keeping on practicing, making sure that we're saying them properly. It's really important that you follow along and say the words as we go, because that's really embedding it in your heads as to how to say it properly. So the first thing I want you to do is make sure that you've done your maths warm-up pages from your pack. So make sure those are finished, and then you can start on our lesson 9.6 we're up to today, reading and writing 8 and 9 digit numbers. The first thing I want you to do is write down, so get a piece of paper, or you can use your project book, or if you've got a whiteboard, you can use that, and write down these numbers, please. Write down 7, 6, 8, 2, 3, 9, 4, 1, 0. You can write them in any order. 5. Okay, basically what we just did was wrote down numbers 1 to 9. But what you can do is write them on a piece of paper if you want. You could cut them up into small squares, and you can choose them randomly because we're going to make some numbers. So you can choose random numbers if you want, or you can just write them down from those numbers. So what I want you to do is arrange these digits so that you are making a number that could go really close to 500,000. So you can see on our number line here, we're starting at 0 and we're going all the way up to 1 million. Halfway between 0 and 1 million is 500,000. So make a number now. It's going to be a 6-digit number. So arrange your digits. So you're making a number that's close to 500,000. You can pause the video and do that now. I wonder what number you made. I'm going to make a number that starts with a 5 because I want it to be really close to 500,000, but I wouldn't have to use that. So I could go, okay, 5, you can only use the digits once. 5, 1, 2, 4, 9, 7. Have a go at writing another number that's close to 500,000. Just choose your numbers randomly and write them down. Now have a go at writing a number that's using these same digits. Write a number that is close to 1 million. So you can see on our number line, we're using our same numbers. See what numbers you can write using these digits that is close to 1 million. Have a go at doing that now. You can pause the video if you need to. So I'm going to start with a 9 because I know 900,000 is really close to 1 million. I'm going to go a 1, 0, 4, 5, 8. Yeah, that's pretty, oh, I've got to put my 8 in here. That's pretty close to 1 million. I probably could have gone closer, couldn't I? Because this one's only 910,000. So if I wanted to get really close to 1 million, challenge yourself and see if you can make a number that can go as close to 1 million as possible. All right, have a look at our next page here. Oops, sorry. Oh, I think it's loading. There we go. Let's pop a number in here. So I'm going to put 5, 1, 4, 8, 7, 2. I could have put any numbers in there. We're just using this to see what we'd say. Okay, so how would we say this number? 501,408,702. Okay, let's have a look at this number. 492,100,000 176,444. Can you please write that number down? Pause the video if you need to write that number down. Let's see what that would look like. 492,176,444. It's a pretty big number, isn't it? How many digits is it? 3, 6, 9. Check that you wrote that number, please. Write this number down. 712,599,367. Pause the video and write that down. You should have written 712,599,000. Say it as you go, remember. Helps us to remember how to say it. 367. Have a go at this next one. 503,051,600. Be careful with your zeros. Pause the video and write that down now. You should have written 503 million. So I'm looking and I'm thinking, well, what does 503 look like normally? Okay, 503 million. 51,000. So I need to put a 0 in because it's only 51,000. And if I was writing 51,000, I would write 51000. 51,600. Remember that we're categorizing them into each of our groups. So we've got our millions, our thousands, and our hundreds in each of our groups. Next one, 36,015,004. Pause the video and write that one down. You should have written 36,015,000. So I've only got 15,000. I know how to write 15,000, so I know I've got to make that a 0 there, because if I was just writing 15,000, I would write 15,000 and 4. So I need to make sure I've only got 4 in this section. Remember, it's broken into sections. So I've got my millions, 30, oops, I've made a mistake there, haven't I? I did 360 million, so I got that wrong. I'm glad I went back to check it. So I'm just going to rub that out. It's okay to make a mistake, check it, and start again. Okay, so I'm going 36 million. So the mistake I made is I put it in the hundreds column, but it's only 36 million. It's not 360 million. So it's 36 million because this is my first section. Then 15,000. So I've got my 0. Oh, hang on. Let me just rub that all out because it's getting a bit messy. Sorry, guys. Good for me to check it though. Okay, so I've got my 36 million. 15,000, so it's only 15,000, so I'm putting in my 0. 15,000, and it's only 4, so that's only 4. So here I've only got 4. Let me check it again. Let's see if I got that right this time. I'll just make sure that doesn't look like a 1 over here, so it's not confusing us. Let's see. 36 million. See how important it is to check. 36 million, yep, got it. 15,000, yep, got it. And 4, yep, got it. But please check it. You know, sometimes I get it wrong. I need you guys to check up on me. So make sure you check it and check that I got that right too. I hope that you were able to have a good go at those ones. Can you please go to your Stepping Stones Maths page now? And we're reading and writing 8 and 9 digit numbers. Can you remember where we might have seen 8 and 9 digit numbers written down? We talked about this before. Some of us thought about maybe in real estate, definitely. I wonder, perhaps some people's bank accounts have got big digits in them. There's probably lots of places, but those are probably the most common places that we would see really large digits, isn't it? So what places are said when you say a 9-digit number? So remember, we're saying the millions, we're saying the thousands, and we're saying the hundreds. Remember that when we say the numbers, we often put an and in. It gives us a clue. Is that going to be where a 0 goes? Keep it in the sections. You've got your millions, your thousands, and then your hundreds at the end. So here's our sections: millions, thousands, ones. I said hundreds, but that's that section. Okay. So we've got, how would you read the number on this expander? How would you say that number? Can you say that number out loud now? It's easy, isn't it, when it's written down like this? 105,274,312. Read this number name. Can you say that out loud, please? Pause the video and say it. This number is 246,705,090. Can you write that number on your number expander, please? Let's have a look. Write that down before I write it. Pause it if you need to. 246 million. 705,000 and 90. I've got an and, so it's raising my interest. I've got just 90 and 90. I can check every section. 246 million, check. 705,000, check. And 90, check. Okay. Have a look at your page, please, your journal. And basically what we're doing here is just filling in those numeral expanders. So the first ones, please read the number name out loud and then write the matching number on the expander. Then over on page 2, you are writing the matching number name. So check your spelling, make sure you're spelling it correctly. The spelling is over here to help you. And then down here, you need to write the matching numeral or number name. So what you're doing here is you're going to be writing in this one the words, writing in this one the numbers, the numerals, writing in this one the words, and have a good go at your step ahead, please. Step ahead is part of every lesson. Please go back and check that you have finished all the pages from this week in your Math Stepping Stones book and your warm-up. And don't forget, this afternoon we're picking up our new pack at Return and Collect, and you'll have the rest of your maths work to do for the week to come. Please let me know if you have any questions. Send me a message, an email, Dojo, Teams, whatever you need to. Very happy to chat to you, or if your parents would like to message me and ask me to call at some point, that is fine too. Hope you're going okay, and I'll talk to you again tomorrow. Bye.